Southern California, and I'm going to do the teaching for the line dance Memory Lane. This is a beautiful song by Old Dominion. The choreography is by Nicole, Petrocelli. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high beginner dance. It does have 2 restarts, and I think that's what kind of makes it a high beginner. None of the steps are complicated. All right, so let's get to it. I will turn around. You've got your weight on your left foot, and you are going to take the right foot to the side with a step together step. The left leg is going to step back, and you're going to go forward onto the right leg. Then we're going to repeat it to the left. Step together step. Go back on the right leg and forward on the left. Now that step is called a lindy. So we're doing a lindy to the right and a lindy to the left. A little faster. Right leg starts. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Again. 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going on from there, we are going to do a step to the side with the right, step behind with the left, a quarter turn as you do a step together, step forward, step together, step. One more time for that. We are going to, we've just done our rock recover here. We're going to do the right leg, step out, left leg behind, right leg, step together, step with a quarter of a turn. We're going to add on to there a step forward on the left, a half a pivot to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to do another step together, step forward, step together, step. So, from the top, we are going to go step together, step, rock, recover. Step together, step, rock, recover. Step side, behind, quarter step together, step, step, pivot, and a step together, step. With the counts, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'm going to say the words now. Here we go. We have step together, step and rock, recover. Step together, step and rock, recover. Side, behind and a shuffle step. Step, pivot and a shuffle step. So the step together step we call a shuffle step. The step forward and rock back or rock back and forward is a rock recover. Step pivot, you're pivoting around, keeping the feet where they are. All right, moving right along. We've just done our step together step going that way. Because of space, I'm moving back a little bit. We're going to do 2 skates. One with the right leg, one with the left. Pretend you're skating. 1, 2. Now we're going to do another step together step with the right leg. Step together step. And then you are going to do a rock forward, a step forward, a step back with a quarter of a turn, and a step together step to the side. So that is skate, skate, step together step, rock, recover, step together step. With the counts, skates and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From the top, the whole thing. Ready? And step together, step, rock, recover. Step together, step, rock, recover. Step side behind, step together, step, step, pivot, a step together, step, a skate, a step together, step, a rock, recover with the step together, step to end. Now we've got the last 8 counts. Here we go, the last 8 counts. It's a box step, a jazz box, which is cross, back, side, front. I'm going to face the other way so you can see what my feet are doing on the jazz box. The right foot is crossing over, the left foot is going back, the right foot is going to the side, and the left foot is going forward. So it's cross, back, side, front. Practice that. And then we're going to finish off with a step, tap. And that is to the right, step, and step left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, putting that all together, the box step, cross, back, side, front, step, tap, step, tap. Let's go from the skates. Here we have skate, skate, step together, step, step forward, step back with a quarter turn, step together, step, the box step, cross, back, side, front, step, tap, step, tap. And that's all 32 counts, and now we're facing our 6 o'clock wall to start on wall 2. Alrighty, let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, rock, recover. Shuffle, step, rock, recover. Step behind and a shuffle step. A step, pivot and a shuffle step. A skate, a shuffle step. A rock, recover, quarter step together. Step, jazz box, cross, back, side and front. Step and tap and step and tap. Did you do it? One more time. A little slower. I'll do the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it. Wall number 2, which is at 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step side, behind, shuffle, step. Step, pivot, and a shuffle step. A skate, a shuffle step. Step, behind, shuffle step, and across. 2, 3, 4, step, tap, step, tap. Notice I'm calling shuffle steps instead of step together step. It's just easier to say it, but that's the same thing. All right, should we do, oh, let me tell you about the restarts. Okay, wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. We've just about to start wall 4, and we start with shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, step, rock, recover. Well, that is 8 counts. So now we restart and we begin wall 5 here and start from the top. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So the first 8 counts, we're beginning wall 4, but no, we're going to do a restart. So we start again with that step together step. All right, I think that is it. Let's do wall 1 and wall 2 all together. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, and rock, recover. Shuffle, step, rock, recover. Side, behind. Shuffle, step, step, pivot, and a shuffle, step. A skate, a shuffle, step. Forward, quarter, shuffle, step. Jazz box, 2, 3, 4, step. Tap, let's start again, and step together, step, and a rock, recover. Step together, step, and a rock, recover. Side behind with a shuffle step. Step, pivot with a shuffle step. A skate, a shuffle step. Rock, recover, shuffle step. A box, 2, 3, 4, step, tap, step, tap. So just to let you know, I'm doing rock, recover, or rock, recover. That's what we say. Rock, recover, rock, recover. Okay, I think you've probably got it. Let's have a look. Bye!